Okay, ladies, Jessica Perone here, Herfin IQ. I try to make finance relatable and I came up with a concept today. It is the bad boyfriend stock list. What does that mean? Huh? What? Yeah, the bad boyfriend stock list. And how this works is that they are all attributes that you do not want in a stock. So what about consistency, right? Consistently calls you, etc. Okay, well, consistency is important in stocks too, and companies, whether or not they have a proven track record. And small caps and micro caps are two types of stocks that don't necessarily have proven track records yet. So they are a little bit more risky. So bad boyfriend stock tip number 2 is don't go out with stocks that you meet on social media. Yeah, if you hear about it only on social media and you've never heard of it before, probably not a good idea. Okay, so this is another bad boyfriend attribute, is the broke bad boyfriend that's always borrowing money from you. Yeah, well, similar to that, we want to look for companies that are profitable. Keep in mind, tech stocks do have a lot of debt. So you want to compare companies within sectors when you're looking at their debt loads.